Hey guys, it's Alex with Melody Lane Inspired. If you're new here, you may be questioning who's Melody Lane. You always see Holly and you always see me, Alex. Melody Lane was my mother. Holly is her sister. My mom passed away 3 years ago. It has been an incredibly tough 3 years. She has inspired us, hence the name Melody Lane Inspired. I am so thankful that she brought Holly and I onto her channel and taught us the things that we know. I'm truly thankful for all of the supporters who have stood with us through this journey. My family and I have been touched by all of the love and encouragement we have received. Today, several of her family, friends, and colleagues have come together to share their thoughts. I am grateful for each one of you. Moving forward, let's remember the things that she always loved: to choose joy, be kind, and spread love and compassion. Little hand hearts.
Hi, my name is Louise Beauregard, and I was a very big admirer of Melody Lane's. She was such a generous, kind-hearted person. I have a favorite quote, and it goes something like this: "The mark of an extraordinary woman is not how she rises above the rest, it's how she reaches back to raise up others." And for me, that's exactly who Melody Lane was. Always thinking of others, being so thoughtful and kind and grateful. And I myself am grateful that I got to know her a little bit.
My dear friend Melody, how I miss our chats, and oh my goodness, the kooky laughter we shared. I will always miss you. Sleep well, my friend.
Hi, I'm Deanna Mulder, and I just wanted to share one of the best things that I've learned from Melody. And that is when she started doing the Pinterest-inspired designs. I had a little light bulb go off that said that I could look at the images in Design Space not as a whole, but as individual elements. And so I could find what I wanted, which made my subscription to Access and my work in Design Space so much easier and broadened what I had available to me. And I wanted to just share that and thank Melody for teaching that.
Hi, my name is Donna Lee, and I've been a Patreon supporter of Melody Lane since February 2018. I was introduced to Melody Lane by May Helms in 2016. Melody and May did a monthly YouTube event called This Crafty Life Live with Melody and May, and you can still find those videos here on YouTube. It was Melody that encouraged me to try the newer Cricut machines with Cricut Design Space. I liked her style of teaching, which was happy and joyful, and enjoyed watching her Saturday Cricut classes. Her willingness to share Cricut Design Space knowledge and let us learn from her mistakes was a gift. Melody's laughter was contagious, and I looked forward to the classes each week. My husband and I were blessed to attend May's Made It Con in Tennessee in 2018. Melody came to the Made It Con as a surprise to May, and we were able to meet her too. It was an incredible trip and a wonderful surprise that we will never forget. Not only was Melody a gifted teacher, she was patient, funny, and kind. She loved what she did and shared her joy of crafting with others. She encouraged us to create beautiful things and spread joy to others in the process. Life is not the same without Melody, but my life is better because Melody invested time, joy, and patience in me and other followers. We enjoyed good times and laughed when we were together. Not only did Melody invest in my creative life, but she brought with her a wonderful creative community that we call family. Melody had something for all types of creative, crafty people. Even though Melody is not here, that community still is, and we are eager to bring more people into the community so they too can learn to use their Cricut and the ever-updating Cricut design space. We laugh, have fun, and we get to craft with Alex, who's Melody's son, and Holly, who is Melody's sister. So come and join us.
Hi, my name is Terry Green. I've been a supporter, or I was a supporter of Melody Lane from about 2015 until her death in 2022. I found Melody, but while surfing the internet, by seeing her pink and blue hair, I thought, well, I should watch her. And she taught me everything I know about Cricut. She didn't just teach me to make beautiful cards. She taught me to be a better friend and a generous and giving person like her. She was and is my friend, who I plan on seeing again. I still miss her, and I love her.
It's Holly, Melody's sister. So today I want to thank you guys for all coming together to celebrate the amazing, lovely, and I'm so grateful and blessed I get to call her my sister, Melody Lane. Melody really was, and we always talk about light, but Melody was just this great beacon of light. There's probably going to be a lot of takes cut out of this that you won't see, but I'm trying to get through this here. And Melody just wasn't a crafter. She was a teacher. She was inspiration. And she was a friend to so many out there who through this all, like, we've seen just how many people Melody touched and who loved Melody. And I see the memories, and I thank you guys for all those who prayed. And it was just so evident of how loved she was. But she put that love out there to everyone too. Melody wasn't someone you'd seen like, oh, I'm going out with my friends. Her friends, you guys existed through the computer to her and just helped to make her life so much more fulfilled. And with that infectious positivity that she had and that infectious laugh, which I miss so much, and she really transformed crafting into a community where everyone felt welcomed and inspired. And her videos didn't teach us just how to craft. There was always like positive messages in them, or would teach us to find joy in crafting. She always shared so much knowledge with us, but would be like their biggest cheerleader too. And we've all been where we're intimidated by something, but she was that person that says, don't worry about it, just try it. And I really think like her legacy lives on. Every cut, every project, in all those that love her. And there's all those little things that we think of that happen to me all the time where you see something. It could be colors, it could be an image, whatever it may be, and you think of Melody, and I love that. And when you think of her, just She wanted it to be positive and joyful, and just let that bring joy to you and something positive. Melody, I can't believe it's been 3 years. I'm so thankful and grateful that we have all these videos that we can go and we can hear your laughs and you can still inspire everyone. And I'm so proud to call you my sister. You left a mark on the world that can't be undone, and we will continue to craft in your honor with all of these wonderful crafting friends, this crafting community you've created. And thank you to all those today who shared in this tribute of Melody. You guys were such a huge part of her world. And if Melody would want anything, she would want you to continue crafting and spread love and joy in your crafting. Not to mention the therapy, and it is really good therapy. And you can cry in your craft room and nobody knows. But thank you so much to all of you who sent in a tribute. Thank you for sharing what Melody meant to you. This tribute really captures her impact and her spirit. There's so many little things I miss with you, Melody, like Mr. Beast games. You would love that. Beast games are on. How did I not watch Big Brother until after you were gone? Because I need to talk to you about Big Brother. And oh my gosh, did you see what, you loved Elon. Holy cow, we need to talk about Elon. But there's so many things. Every time there's a new thing from Cricut, like gosh. But daily, those daily phone calls I wish I had. But someday I will get to see the coolest craft room that ever existed, because I know you're up in there with all the coolest things before they even come out. So I can't wait to see you, hug you, and get to see your coolest craft room. You already had the coolest craft room ever to me here. So I can only imagine what it's like in heaven. But I love you, sister. And thank you to all of you. You guys are awesome. Sending love. And what Melody would want us to do, happy crafting. Bye, guys.